Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Mizar trading account, okay, to your Coinbase Advanced trade, okay? So you can start trading your crypto automatically. Okay, so using the Mizar platform, we can trade our crypto automatically, okay? You set it and you forget. This is like almost passive income, okay? So because most of my students have been asking me, well, I don't want to sit in front of my computer and trade crypto, just like some people sit in front of their computers to trade Forex or stocks or binary options. Excuse me. They just want to set these trades and forget. So all you have to do is maybe once a day, you log into your account and make sure that your bots are still running. So we're going to use bots, okay? Right now, the in talk is about the current talk you guys hear is artificial intelligence. So now in crypto trading, we can use bots to do the trading for us. Okay, just like they're using bots to trade stocks, forex, we can also set up bots to use bots to trade our crypto. Okay, instead of sitting in front of your computer watching the Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum chart go up and down and taking trades, stopping trades, being stopped out and very emotional. Okay, so this one here is gonna automate your trading. So I'm just gonna show you how you can set up your Mizar account. Okay, so once you click the link in the description, that is my referral link, and go ahead and open your account. Okay, it will bring you to this page where it tells you to the next step is to connect you to an exchange. Now, an exchange is such as Binance, Coinbase. There are many. You can look here. It tells you it can connect to all these exchanges. Binance, where you can trade sports and futures. You can do Binance USA for spot trading, KuCoin for spot trading, KuCoin futures for futures, where you can trade futures, Coinbase Advanced for spot trading, Coinbase Pro for spot trading. Now, I think Coinbase Pro is going away. OKX, MEXC, Hobby, Bybit, okay, for both spot and futures, WooX, Crypto.com, Bitgate, okay? Guys, excuse me for a moment. Yeah, Bitgate. And of course, many others. But in this video, I'm going to keep it short. I'm training one of my students here one-on-one, okay? In the Smart Wolf Club, we do train work one-on-one with students who want to learn how to make money online, either trading crypto, trading forex, trading anything online. We've been there, been done that. Some of us have been online since 1999, and what we share here is our experience. Excuse me. I do not share any professional advice. If you want professional advice, you have to seek that from somewhere else. If you want professional financial advice, you have to seek that from somewhere else. So, and I'm sure we are all adults here. I can see there's a lot of people on this webinar right now. There's people from all over the world. We have coaches from all over the world. Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan. We have Moses from Lagos, Nigeria. These guys have been trading with us for many years, over 15 years, some of them. I see Marcelina joining us from Madrid, Spain. She's been with us for over 12 years. We have Roseanne, who's joining us from New York, in the United States, been with us for over 12 years. We have Rodrigo's joining us from Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, has been with us over 10 years. We have Mr. Singh from Bombay, many years. And all these guys are very successful. Mr. Baker from Atlanta, Georgia, many years, over 15 years. And this Josephine from Sydney, Australia, over 12 years. We have Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa, many years, over 12 years. Mr. Peter from Nairobi, Kenya, over 8 years. We have Rosemary from Toronto, Canada, over 12 years. We have Jose from Sacramento in California, in the United States, over 11 years. And many. Mr. Scott from London, UK, over 15 years. Carinces from Berlin, Germany, over 12 years. Pierre joining us from Paris, France, over 9 years. I mean, guys, we have people from Ahmed joining us from Dubai, UAE, over 15 years. So guys, let me keep this short. My student here wants to start trading, learn how to set up these exchanges and start trading and setting up the bots. So now, if you've not subscribed to our channel, we started a new channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel, because we're going to share, the next training is going to show you how you can connect, set up your bots for maximum profitability. So watch out for that training that's coming up very soon. So subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload the next training, and it should be very, very soon. We're going to do this like almost on a daily basis or every other day. And most important, on Wednesdays, there's going to be a major training which shows you how you can maximize your profitability online. And you're going to learn a lot of skills like digital marketing, okay? You're going to learn Forex trading. You're going to learn crypto trading. And you're going to learn so many other things, stock trading. And of course, we're going to talk about just the mindset, because this is what separates the people who are doing well online and those who are not doing well. It's your mindset. We've been doing this for many, many years. And I know a lot of people suffer from the shiny object syndrome. So we're going to help you how you can treat those symptoms so you don't suffer from that syndrome. So guys, stay put. Let me show you. I'm going to keep this very short, and I'm going to show you how you can connect your Mizar account. Okay, now why Mizar? Mizar, we use many other platforms for automated crypto trading. We use the 3Commerce, okay? We also use Mizar. You can see 3Commerce here. Mizar, the difference with Mizar is that Mizar does not charge you monthly subscription fees. There's no monthly subscription fees. They only charge you based on your performance, okay? So if you don't perform, they don't charge you anything. If you perform, the more you perform, of course, the higher the fee. It just goes without saying. But again, you don't have a subscription, okay? So that is the advantage, and that's why most people like it. So use the link in the description to connect, to create a Mizar account, and then follow this training to connect your exchange, because which is the next step. Now, once you have your exchange connected, and make sure you have some crypto in your exchange, because it's not going to communicate if there's no assets in your exchange. Now, if you don't have a crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, I have put the link in the description for Coinbase. Okay, go ahead and open the account. Okay, it's free to open the account. You just deposit your money there. You can buy your crypto assets there. You can buy Bitcoin. You can buy Ethereum using your bank account or your credit card or your debit card. And if in the US you have many choices, Binance US, okay, Coinbase is right there. Okay, so once you have a Coinbase account and you have some assets in your Coinbase account, you can, now if you don't know how to buy crypto, okay, check some of our previous trainings in this channel, okay, the Smart Wolf Club channel. We have a previous training where we showed you how you can buy your crypto using Coinbase and your bank account. Okay, now if you still have questions, you can leave a comment on the description, okay, or you can get hold of us in the groups. We have a Smart Wolf Club traders group, Telegram group. If you like Telegram, you can ask your questions there. Go and join. The links are in the description. Or you can join the Telegram WhatsApp group and ask your questions. Okay, so Coinbase Advanced, you click on Coinbase Advanced, and of course, you're going to set up, this is Mizar now, for example. So I'm going to name this API key here. I'm going to call it Coinbase Advanced 1, because we are creating this for my student, and this is the first they're doing. And then we're going to go to Coinbase. Okay, so I'm going to log on to my student's Coinbase account, and that should log on here automatically. And then make sure you are at the home, and then you go to your profile, okay, and where it says settings, you click that, and then you are going to go to where it says API. Okay, so we have not created any API for Coinbase Advanced, so we are going to create a new one. All right, so you have a new API. right there. You're gonna need authentication, okay, using your authentication app. We use Authy, so I'm gonna go to Authy, and I'll put in the number. Here we go, verify. This is just for your protection, security. Online, there we go. And then once you get here, it tells you if you are an application developer creating apps for others, please use the Authy 2. Okay, so we are not doing that right now. We're just creating an API so we can communicate between Mizar and Coinbase Advanced, so we can start trading automatically. So primary accounts are highlighted with that. Okay, so we're going to select all here, so we can select all these assets. These are all the pairs, BTC, BS, all the crypto coins that are in here. And then, of course, here when it comes to permissions, this is very, very important, guys. Pay attention here. The only one that you may be most concerned about is this one here, which says wallet withdrawals create. No, we do not want the API to be able to create withdrawals. We don't want people to be able to withdraw our assets, okay? So, excuse me, your assets are going to sit in your exchange and nobody should be able to withdraw your assets. So as much as we are trading, making profit on using Mizar, this API shall not allow anyone to withdraw our assets except us, okay? And that's, you want to make sure this is not checked. So we're going to check almost everything else except that one. So I'll check this one here. It says accounts create, accounts read, account addresses create, buys create. I'll skip checkouts. And then I'm going to do this wallet contacts read, wallet deposits read, wallet orders read, create, wallet orders refund. Yes, we can do that. And then I'm going to skip payment method limits, okay, and then we go to wallet sales create, supported assets read, and then wallet trades read. I'll do that. And then I'm going to skip wallet transaction request, wallet transaction transfer. No, I don't want that to be done. And then wallets user read. That's good. All right, so that's what I'll select on this side. And then on the other side, I am going to select everything except these two here, user email. And so I'm going to select that, user update, withdrawals read. I'm going to allow that. I will skip those two. And then wallet transaction read, transaction trades read. So I'm going to check everything else except those two guys. And then down here, it says allowed IP addresses. So you'll go back to Mizar and you come and copy these IPs to whitelist. So you will copy that IP, okay? They're copied, there are many. So you'll come and paste right here and they are all in there, okay? It's a bunch of them. You can just make sure I copied all of them. Okay, so we can just make sure they're all in there. Yes, they're in there. Okay, so once we do that, then now we can create our API. So this is very important, guys. It's going to show you your API key plus the secret key. Now, you can only see the secret key one time, so you make sure you copy and paste that somewhere safe, just in case you need it, okay? So we need that API key, so I'm going to copy that, copy and paste on Mizar. So I'll come back, and of course I'm going to delete this as soon as I create it because I'm showing this on public. And then also copy this API secret key, and I'm going to put that here, paste. And then we're going to go next. Okay, and yep, we click next here. And connect. Okay, so let's see. It's connecting now. You can see all these graphics is connecting. It is connecting. If everything is correct, this should be connected in a few seconds, guys. There we go. So it is connected now. Okay, guys, so the connection was successful. So we are ready to go and start making those trades. So in the next video, I'm going to show you, in the next training, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your bots and forget and start making the profits. And every day you can go and check the bots, make sure they're making you money. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can go to the marketplace. Okay, right here. That's what I'm going to show you next. And you can choose any of these bots that are making you a lot of profit. Okay, it says show more. There's tons of different bots here that you can pick. You see, like this bot, for example, in the last 30 days, it has made a 12.1% return. Okay, this one here, 14.4% return in the last 30 days. This one, 18. Okay, so guys, there's a bunch of things here to choose from, and you can start making money passively while you do other things. You do things that you like. You don't have to be in front of your computer. These are going to automatically execute the trades using the different strategies that they have in here. Okay, guys, so if that sounds interesting, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this with somebody else, and of course, make sure you open these are the tech homes. These are things you're going to do today. Open your Mizar account, okay? It's free to open that account. The link is in the description. That's my referral link. And if you use my link, you're going to get 5% off your fees for life, okay? 5% fees, 5% off fees for life, okay? And then, of course, if you don't have an exchange, if you're in the United States, you can open an account with Coinbase. I have the link in the description, and they give you some free bonuses. Okay, go and check it out, guys. Okay, and then of course there are many other exchanges on there. You can go ahead and open the accounts. I've put all the links in the description. And if you have any questions, man, please, you can ask your questions on the comments below. I personally answer the questions. I don't let my viewers answer those questions. I answer the questions myself. And if you need further assistance, you can send me an email. The email address is in the description. It says info@smartwolfclub.com. And if you need further assistance, you can ask your questions in our communities. You can join our Telegram group. The link is in the description, or the WhatsApp group, whichever one you like. Or you can join both of them. Doesn't matter. You can ask your questions and we'll answer your questions and we'll help you to get started. Okay? And then, of course, if you want to work one-on-one with us, with our coaches, they're all over the world, from all over the world, or you want to work one-on-one with me, you can join the Smart Wolf Club community, or you can send me an email at that email address and tell me that you want to be trained one-on-one, and of course, I'll get back to you. I'll personally answer your messages. Okay, guys? I'm very busy. My time is very valuable, so I only work with very serious individuals, okay? So don't really, if you're a time waster or you're just kicking the can down the road, then please don't contact me, because we're not going to be able to work together. Okay, I only work with very, very serious individuals. Okay, and with that, guys, I'm going to end this training, and watch out for the next one, where I'm going to show you how to set up your bot and start making that profit. It is that simple, guys. Okay. Thank you, and have a good night, guys. Now, before I end this training, I'm a believer. Let's say a word of prayer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, we pray that those who are going to follow this training shall become successful. In the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Thank you, guys. Goodbye, good night, and take care. I don't really